Welcome dear children to the Rajkumar College Rajkot Form 2 GK Round 1 revision. Topic is nature. What is a nature? Nature, your surrounding, right? In nature we include plants, animals, right? Today we will see some um, some details which we have already done, but it's just a revision, okay, on nature, and at the end of the slide you will get 10 questions to be done. The answers will be solved in the next video. It is just a revision. I have given 10 questions from the topic nature. Different chapters are there, like parents and children, right? There are different chapters. Our green friends, let's know wood, okay, then green earth. I have tried to collect some questions from there in a group, and weather, okay. So let us start with little revision on this chapters and some questions on it. Okay, what is the nature? Physical world, collectively including plants, animals, landscapes, and other features and products of the earth, as opposed to human or human creation. Means we cannot include the human creation. Refrigerator is a human creation. You cannot include it in the nature, right? What is there in the nature? We got plants, we got animals, we got different land areas like mountain, river, valley. They all are nature, right? Now let us start with the trees. Trees are actually our best friend, right? Because of it we get oxygen. Even it help us to reduce the pollution, right? So many benefits of trees are there. We should grow more and more trees. Yes. Now we can say that trees, because of the trees, earth is very green and beautiful, right? Now whenever you see the when the tree is cut, right, the ring inside it actually shows the age of the tree, okay. You can find out how old this tree is. When we cut, there are some rings you can find out. You can count it, and you can come to know how old this tree is, okay. Now even some people, they like to make house on the trees. So that type of house is called tree house. Children, these are some example that I have taken from your book only. Knows best, okay. At the end of bottom of your page it is written knows best. I have taken this two example from there. The ring inside the tree of a tree trunk, as it indicates the age of a tree, and the trees that are made on the tree, sorry, the houses that are made on the trees are called tree houses, okay. You can see this picture, it is one of the example of a tree house. Now what are the things that you get from the plants, right? We get fruits, right? We can make medicines from the things of the plants. Even we get woods. From wood you can make bat, pencil, right? You can extract oil, right? Even you can get rubber. From rubber you can make this eraser, tire, right? So we get different things that we can use it in our day-to-day life. So this is so important in our life. Now we will see some parts of plants, right? We know flower is there, stem, root, leaf, bud. Each have their own function, right? Root absorbs water, and then stem and branches help it to go to the leaves, right? Bud is there, flower, leaf, stem, leaf help for using the sunlight and water. It helps the plant to grow, right? So this way, these are the different basic parts of plant. Roots, right? It absorbs the from the nutrients from the soil and pass it to the plant. So these are the basic parts of plants. Now let us see about animals. Till now we have seen about plants, right? So even animals are also an important part of the nature. Right? There are variety of animals you can see on the land, even in the water, right? Now, according to your book, we will see some animals which are giving birth to their young ones, like mare. Mare gives birth to colt. Baby of the mare is called colt. Goat gives birth to kid. The baby of the goat is called kid. Then elephant birth to calf, right? It gives birth to calf. Deer gives birth to fawn. In the same way, we got like cat gives birth to kitten. A hen gives birth to chick. Then a deer gives birth to fawn, right? Then a kangaroo gives birth to joy. So this way there are so many different animals that gives the birth to their young ones, right? And they take care of them, right? Now even the group of animal is told something. When like lions, if they sit in the group, so that group is called a pride of a lion. How we make group in the WhatsApp, right? Friends group, then we will send the messages to our group, right? You make a group and you name it. In the same way, when animals are there in a group, it is being told something like when lions are sitting in a group, it is called a pride of a lion. When bees are there, then it's called swarm of bees. When fish are there in a group, it's called soul of a fish. When geese are there, then it's called skin of a geese, right? In the same way, when ship is there, then it's called a flock of sheep. When elephants are there together in a group, they are called herd of elephants. Children, you have already done in the book. It is just I have taken some example for you, okay, just for a recall. Whichever group is been not taken of animal, I have tried to put up in the question answers in the last slide, that is a question revision slide, okay. Then even weather, okay, weather means the season which is there surrounding you is a part of a nature, very important part, right? So there are some different things that you find in the nature. We will see about it. For example, okay, the season in which we get rain, it's a monsoon season, right? In the monsoon season you get some sounds and like, okay, so that is called a thunder. Then even when it is rained, how you can measure the rain, okay, how much rain has fallen, how we can come to know, it is called rain gauge. It is an instrument to measure the rain. Then even when it is raining, with it, along with it, sometimes a small pieces of ice it falls along with the rain, it is called hailstones. Now, so this was some part of the weather which I have tried to include. Then in the night, when it is a rainy season, it flash and lights in the sky, then it is a lightning, right? Even then little drops of water found on the leaves and flowers in a cold night is called dew. Especially in this winter season, if you see, there are small drops on the leaf, okay, and when you wake up in the morning, you can see there are small drops on the leaf and that plants, that is nothing but called dew. Okay, so children, I have tried to include all the topics that you have already done in your book as a revision part. Whichever things that I have not included, I have put up in the revision question. Okay, I have tried to cover some part which is left to be revised. I have put up in the question, like a storm occurs in a sea with very strong wind, then it's called a cyclone, right? And then ocean, and we get strong winds, then it's a cyclone. So this is the weather. Again, a small revision. What is the nature? Plants, trees, right? Different landforms like mountain, river, they all are parts of nature. We have seen about trees and the parts of plant also, right? This is a flower, root. We have seen the example for it. So plants are part of nature, animals are part of nature, and weather means atmosphere, like summer, winter, monsoon, right? In each season, like if it is lightning and all in the monsoon season, then we get a loud sound of a storm in the, then that is a thunder. Okay, even how much it is rained, if we want to measure, then it is called a measuring instrument is called rain gauge. That when it is raining, if small ice balls are there, then it is called hailstones. So these are some parts of your book that we have done as a revision. Now let us see the question answers. First question, a storm occurs in a sea with a very strong winds. What it is called? A lightning, a cyclone, a dew, or a rain. Then little drops of water found on leaves and flowers in a cold night. What it is called? Cyclone, thunder, ice, or dew. Okay. A group of sheep called what? Flock, swarm, shoal, or colony. A group of ants are called swarm, colony, pack, or herd. A cat gives birth to young one called chick, kid, kitten, or cub. A deer gives birth to fawn, calf, colt, or jaw. Now, this is a jumble word given to you. Okay, it is a name of a tree. You have to rearrange the letters in such a way that it becomes the name of a tree. Okay, now men, MENE, neem, mean, emin, ABCD. Okay, then number 8, an insect has how many legs? Okay, 6, 8, 9, or 5. Then the things that we do not get from plants, which you don't get from plant. Okay, fruit, flower, electric bulb, or vegetable. Which is the thing that we cannot get it from plant. The last one, the largest animal on land: dog, elephant, donkey, or cow. So these are the 10 questions. You can take your answers in your, just write down the answers in the study book. So in the next video, whenever I show you, you can check your answers. Okay, so thank you for today, children. Have a nice day. Hope you have enjoyed your revision part today. Next video, we will do the next topic. Fine. Again, I will give you the 10 questions for that topic and the answer key to this question that we have done today. Okay, read your nature chapter. If you find any doubt, you can ask. Okay, thank you and have a nice day, dear children.